Hey YouTube, welcome back to my another video. So it is asking me to create something. Let me add a folder. So I'm just going to select this folder. That's it. Yeah, I forgot to explain. I forgot to tell you like what I'm going to do in this video. It's gonna be very cool, guys. So I am going to create a single or one complete responsive application or website by using a display flexes. Again, I was feeling bored, so I thought of doing this. Um, so anyhow, I'm done with the Angular content. So from next video I'm going to start my application. So meanwhile I should ready with I should start my Node.js and a MongoDB tutorial also, just to make sure like it will get into parallel way, so that I can get a API at the end of the video, every videos, so that I can integrate with my application. So that's what the plan was about. So at that plan I'm going to execute for sure. So the thing is, I mean, just to make something cool things. I just want to create an application. Before I should create a application, I should create a design. So let me create some classy applications. So usually I create plain application, right? So here let's create a classy application where I can have something cool and special things. So don't worry, it will not be like that. It will be like this. And I don't know, I'm going with the flow. I'm just going with the flow. Let's check. Let's see how it will have, how it will work. So let's run it in exactly middle. I don't know what I can put it in the press order. But I have something in my mind, like this is how I'm thinking to. Yeah, here it is will be. Okay, so I just want to create this layout where I can say something, something. That's it. I want to say something. That's it. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. So here I'm going to something, right? That's it. I think this is just the kind of image I wanted to check. So I'll be opening my. Okay, so I don't have. Let's check. So I'll be opening an incognito. I don't want to show my history to you guys. I'm just kidding. So incognito is always in a safe mode. So here I'll just search with a nature photography. So whoever done these photographs, I mean, this entire credit goes to them. So don't blame me with the copyright and so on. I really love this. I really love it. I really love it. I really love it. So copy image. I think I really love this than that. So oh man, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. It's very cool. It's a very cool photography. So copy image. I'll be adding the same image here. It's very cool photography, man. Seriously. What I can do rather than adding a list. This is a crime, guys. You should not, save image like that. But still, I'm doing it. So I'm sorry for the creator of the particular image. I'm really, I'm gonna say like this entire image credit goes to. I'll tell you that. So okay, for sure. Desktop, I'll be having something like folder, right? A folder. Inside the folder, I'm going to have this. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. So this is my photos of wildlife in South Africa. So it is filmprc.go. something. So yeah, I'll just, this is the one where I got my this photo. I'm really thankful so to them. So they don't know me, I don't know them, but I'm using the photo. Isn't crazy? So here, isn't it cool, guys? I think it's cool. I don't know. So I'm gonna use same photo. Like this, I'm gonna create something, So this is, I just want you to know like how to create this structure. Okay, so easy by using a simple flex layout. I'm going to create a layout only, so don't worry about it. So let me create a new file called index.html, and I'm gonna say that's it. So he'll be having saying, okay, this is something. I have a body, so I'll be having something called control n, and I'll be saying so style dot scss. So I love scss, so that's why I use scss. So I'll be using that same scss here by using link, and I'll be providing that scss over here. So I'll be having something called body, so I'm not going to give anything to the body. So I'll be just saying div.container, and inside the div container I will be having something called div.row, and inside the div I'll be having something called div.call. So this is how it will be. It will create, and I'll be writing the same thing for this. First I'll reset all the things like this. So I'll be saying box, border box, and I'll be negating all the margin to 0, and I'll be negating all the padding to the 0. So here I'll be writing something called container. This is kind of a class. So this class have a background of red. I'm gonna say for now, and I'll be saying height of 100%, and I'll be saving width of 100%, and I'll be saying that's it. So the display block where flex everything will come out. So I'll just write it now. So display and flex, and a flex direction will be of a route for now, and I'll be saying display flex is done, right? I'll be justifying the content to the flex start or something. Yeah, I'll be saying align items will be now center mode. So let's see how it will come. So I'll be opening with the live server. This is where the live server work. It's not opened, right? That means something happened to play server. Let me check which port it is working. It's open in a 5. I loved Opera. I used to love a lot. I had a amazing relationship with Opera. This container is there, but it is not giving anything because just because I'm not giving anything to my body end of my HTML. So let me tell you something like HTML and body should have a good height and width. To get the height and percentage in a manner, I can go with a pixel, but when I see any percentage, I should have something, you know, parental width for that and height for that. So if I give like this, still it is not coming. Why? Let me copy this and paste somewhere here. Okay. Okay, I got the problem, man. So yeah, problem is the same thing. So I'll be using it as a CSS. That's it. Cool. So yeah, this is red. It's completely working, right? So let me give the exact color of this. Cool. So I'll be having something called, you know, inside the container I have something container and dot row, and inside the row I should have a two divisions for sure. One is a column 1 and one more is a column 2. So what I can do, this row, and I'll say call 1. So I'll be giving of height, you know, I would say 90% and a width of 30%, let me say, and I'll say background color should be red. Let me check how it will work application. So sometimes I intentionally do some more things which is not at all needed. This is how it will work because I don't have anything to my this one, right? So I would say height 100%, width 100%. This is how it works, right? So you have, yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you have to have your percent, you know, if you are giving anything on a percentage manner, so you have to have something, you know, okay, this is how it works, right? So let me give something to my div now. So I may have a row, I'll give a display to a flex manner and a flex align item should be a center. Cool, right? So I'll be having something, right, you know, the padding, the right should be, or padding left should be 1%. I can give to my the division of outer division, or I can give the container. So what I can give, I'll be copying this to my row and I'll copying this to my container. I'll keep out that padding and I'll just use it. That's it. So I'll not use 3% for sure, so let me use 1%. This looks good. And so here I'm going to give a background image, right? So I have something called image here. So that what I can do now, I'll just go and I have a call 1, right? So in my CSS, in my call 1, rather than giving the background color, so I'll just give background URL. So this JPEG, so I'll say the background repeat should be no repeat, and I will say the size, background size should be 100% to 200% or something. So I'll be getting something here, right? So I just want things should happen like this, at least okay. So let me not give 100 or so, let me give 120% or something. Cool, right? Isn't it cool? Yeah, it is cool. So I'll be giving something called opacity of 0.7 something like that. Cool. So this is exactly what I wanted to show, right? So I think you can see the exact way like this. Yeah, this is cool. I know, so it is stretching out, but you can take care of that too. So let me give, not to give 120%, let me give only 100% over it. Not 100, it's 100, not 10, sorry. Yeah, cool. It's not stretching out. So I have something called call to also, right? So let me give everything same to that, but the only thing is like height should be same and 90%, right? I'll be giving 80%, and a width I'll be giving 25%. I'll tell you why. So let me check where it went. Okay, this is what call on happened, right? Let me get into a call to. How is it, guys? So this is what I'm explaining, right? So you can use this as simple way of achieving your things, your patterns, or anything you want to hear, you want achieve over here. So I can say like, okay, something call to is there, right? So I'll be giving something like 40% and 40 plus 25, and I can give one more column here of 15, something like this, and I can go here, I can just create a column tree. I just wanted to explain this to you guys, that's it. So column 3 is there, so I have column 2 as thing, right? So I'll just give column 3. That's it. So you should take care about the height also. I'll be giving the 70% of height now. That's it, cool. So I'll be giving 35% to this. Still you'll be having something, right? So I can give 20%. So altogether it will become 100%, right? 35 and 20, it is going to be a 55, 50 plus 40, yeah. So yeah, can directly give 40, right? I can give 45 over there. That's it, cool. So how is it? Isn't it cool, guys? So that's it. Yeah, I just wanted to this is not a big deal, this is not a big concept, this is nothing in front of your CSS, and if one who knows CSS, they may laugh for this particular video, but I'm okay for that, because there are lots of members who don't know about this. So I just want to teach them, not to those who already know the things. So I'm not teaching any teachers, I'm teaching only the students. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for your support, love, and everything if you want to show. And that's it for today. Thank you, bye.